pals, non-binary pals, and welcome to our Easter baking
channel! What will you need for this?
Your mom. Yeah, that's
totally what you
that's
need.
it.
She knows everything.
I know.
Just
I knows everything.
get her, and you will be done with your beautiful thing. What are we baking?
Your mom. Ooh, get wrecked. No, but yeah, we're baking a cake. Get over it, bitch.
Da-dum.
Dun-dum.
Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Jesus Christ, oh my god.
That's beautiful.
You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true.
That's beautiful.
When I try to sing.
Yes. Have the Waterloo proof when you sing Waterloo at my house.
And your dad hates me.
Yeah.
He still hates me. I think he always will. But it's probably because I'm white. No.
Wow.
It's just because I have green eyes.
Sugar, you sugar. Yes,
This is a lot of sugar.
What are we having so much sugar for?
I don't know, but I think
Where is the recipe?
there is no recipe.
We're just making this up. Please don't try this at home. It's not safe. It's not with her.
You're probably gonna burn down your house if you do.
Yeah. I mean, look at us.
If you want a higher allowance, just don't burn down your house. That is not a very good way of getting a higher allowance.
Yeah.
We could show you better ways.
Oh my goodness, this is going to be
Horrible.
Yummy.
Why do you hate me? Why do you hate on my cakes?
Because they never end up very well.
You'll see. I will show the world that I can bake a cake.
Of course. Smacking a eggs.
Damn. Smacking.
That's beautiful.
I know, right? Like seriously. Anyone who wouldn't want to eat this is probably like really sick.
Yes, of course.
Let's just get some baking powder in there. Yeah, that's enough.
This is going to end up horrible.
Fuck yeah.
No, you will be the first one to try this. Easter baking, everyone. Yeah, some vanilla taste, yeah.
Okay, I don't think there's enough liquid in this. I add milk.
You do think.
Oh no! Shake it.
Beautiful. Shake the milk.
Pour milk in the pussy!
You still think this is enough? Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, whatever.
Yeah, I mean, fuck you. That's what I mean.
Of course.
This one motherfucker won't crack. Okay, that's better. Can you get more milk?
Yeah.
Alright, now
Yes, you can.
I'm getting more milk. It's my milk.
Don't forget the food coloring.
Oh yeah! We're gonna color it pink!
For Easter! Mixing it. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Free shavakadoos.
Ew, that looks disgusting.
No! This is horrible. I took too much wheat. Yeah.
Potato.
We're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true. Why?
Why not? Yeah, it's beautiful.
This is not giving me a good image.
No.
I look awful, except my hair looks fabulous.
Of course.
Yes. I wish I had like yellow and blue food coloring too.
Yeah.
So then I could do a pansexual cake. It would taste like me.
Of course it would. Food coloring. Woo! Yay!
I'm probably gonna add too much or something.
Yeah. No, that's beautiful.
Oh no! I I think I added too much. If I added too much now, the holy Easter baking gods will kill me.
Well,
okay, I don't think that was too much. I think it was too little. That's great. That means I can add more.
Yeah, empty the whole thing.
No way!
Yeah.
Ella, why? What the fuck is wrong with you? Everything. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
I just remembered.
That's brown.
Oh shit. This isn't pink!
Oh!
Oh no! This is gonna taste.
Why do you need the brown food coloring?
I don't know.
You're like, nah, it looks so disgusting. We need some brown food coloring.
Yeah, okay, this is gonna be poop.
Yeah. Gross. What else?
What time is it? It would be so awkward if my mom got home now.
Yeah.
I think it's ready to be put in the form. Wow, so
Wow. Dipping it. Yeah. How do you like it?
Could you stop?
Oh yeah, we got a heart. That's great.
That was I wanted it to be pink.
So
But
this
no.
is so going not to be Easter.
I need
You're
some
like,
more sugar. I just
sugar.
tasted this and it tastes horrible.
Of course it does.
It
You made it.
tastes so much wheat, like it doesn't taste anything else.
Wow. That's amazing. You added too much. What about the vanilla? More vanilla?
Oh yeah, vanilla. Vanilla would be great. This. Yeah. Gotta pour it in before the fork dies.
Because the fork is going to die of whatever it dies of.
Vanilla poisoning. That's when you don't have enough vanilla, then you die.
Yeah.
It's just basic math. Oh shit. Oh, okay. Oh. Just we have a little bitch stove. Little bitch.
Well,
Nobody
it's
likes
yours.
you.
So.
It was yours. You left me with it, you bitch. Oh my god, no, the fork! The fork! Oh my god, the fork is being eaten! This is what I was talking about, Ella. Oh my god, no! Poor fork. I can't get it up. Okay.
It's meant to be part of the cake.
This is not good, is it? Delicious.
So, because we've absolutely followed some instructions, for how long is it supposed to be in that
I need more of this shit and more of this shit. This shit tastes still too much of the other shit. I can't even
handle it. Yeah.
Can't handle me, bitch.
Oh my goodness.
That's the cake right now. It's just like you can't handle me, bitches.
Yes,
Too good.
Too
for
good for
ya.
you. Yeah.
Doesn't
Spin
that
it.
when you try to cook?
And fail miserably.
Like when she can cook. That's like every Instagram post. When there's like a hot girl standing baking, it's just like, oh my gosh, when she can cook, and I'm just like, bitch, what?
Just because you can't.
Like, bitch, no, I'm not gonna cook for you.
How does it taste?
Fantastic.
What does it taste like?
Horrible.
We're going to end the package today.
Yes. We're going on a trip to our favorite vanilla cake place.
Vanilla cake place, yes.
That's a place that exists.
Of course. Of course it is. Baking, doing the baking.
It's better. Let's just go for it.
Oh my goodness.
do it on the highest.
Oh my god, this is going to explode.
Oh no. Of course not.
Perfect.
Oh fuck! Wait, I forgot the butter. I'm just gonna let me just. I'm just gonna be like. That's perfect.
Yes. How would you judge this beautiful thing? Cakey thing. Yeah. What do you think, Burat?
Okay, I can't even.
But take one of them gloves then. That's what the gloves are for. Yeah, look at that. Look at that beautiful thing.
Beauty.
It's beautiful. It does not like
It doesn't look like puke at all.
It doesn't look like Easter either. It's beautiful.
Can you just fucking move your plants? I want some cake too. It's actually really fucking good.
Okay, let's eat some. Let's eat some of this.
Oh my god.
Let's eat some seeds of these. Oh my god, I need more. Oh my god,
Yeah, but literally I need more.
yeah, it's good.
Det smakar som sockerkaka.
Like, I wonder why.
Du bara bitch, what? Can we just
I think we will have to share.
Oh fuck no.
So, thank you for watching.
Click my face.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
Yeah, you can. It doesn't help anything clicking my face. Just do it. It's perfect.
Yes,
Just like
just do
look
it.
at those eyes, bitch.
Yeah, just
Eyebrows
do
on
it.
fleek. The fuck.